a fishy daddy.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Present. A present.
What is that?
Present.
A present for who?
A present for you.
For me? Aww. Thank you. I wonder what it is.
Christmas time.
It's Christmas time? Whose gift is that?
For me.
It's for you?
And I took that. It's for you.
Thank you.
For me.
Well, that was for you after all?
For you. For you. For me. And I took that, okay?
Okay. Say Merry Christmas. I love you.